The heart powers the circulation of blood through the body, since blood is needed to sustain life. The pumping is made possible by the blood vessels, which are the arteries, veins, and the capillaries. They act as tiny tunnels that carry blood to every tissue possible. There are two sets of such tunnels. One carries the blood between the heart and the rest of the body. This is called the systemic circulation. It sends oxygenated blood out to the cells and returns deoxygenated blood to the heart. This helps supply blood to the tissues and help them thrive. The other set of such blood vessels, tunnels, is the one that carries blood from the heart to the lungs and back. This closed loop is known as the pulmonary circulation. As you can tell, it works in tandem with the respiratory system to remove carbon dioxide and sustain the body with oxygen. In quite common terms, it is said that it helps to purify the blood. Both of these are the part of the circulatory system of the heart. There are two key terms here, the oxygenated blood and the deoxygenated blood. Starting from the deoxygenated blood, it exits the right ventricle of the heart and passes through the pulmonary trunk. The pulmonary trunk splits into the right and left pulmonary artery. These arteries transport the deoxygenated blood to the arterioles and capillary beds in the lungs. Over here, the gaseous exchanges occur. The carbon dioxide is released from the blood and oxygen is absorbed. The blood becomes oxygenated now. This blood then passes from the capillary bed through venules into the pulmonary veins, transporting it to the left atrium of the heart. The peculiar thing about the pulmonary vessels are that the pulmonary arteries are the only arteries that carry deoxygenated blood, and the pulmonary veins are the only veins that carry oxygenated blood. Making it simple, just remember two lines. Very entertaining tops of. Can you see? Veins enter the atrium and arteries leave the ventricles. That is how you can remember it easily. Now, it is important to remember that pulmonary circulation is not the route through which lungs gets its blood supply in order to thrive. The lungs receive blood from the heart via the bronchial arteries. Bronchial artery arises from descending thoracic aorta. It supplies arterial blood to bronchi, connective tissues, and other structures of lung stroma, visceral pleura, and pulmonary lymph nodes.